Can you hear me now? Okay. Can't hear Greg? Greg, okay. Turn the microphone on, making sure the recording is going. It says 3 minutes and 38 seconds. I'm streaming for 12 seconds. We're going to get started. Before we get started, let's seek the Lord in prayer. Heavenly Father, thank you as we come before you in the name of Jesus Christ. We thank you for this day, for this is the day that you have made. We rejoice and be glad in it. Bless the Lord, O our soul. And we just worship you. The joy of the Lord is our strength. And thank you for opening the eyes of our understanding that we may look at the charts and find profitable winning trades with very low risk. And we just thank you for blessing everyone under this call. Anyone that's under the weather or has trouble in the mind, let them have peace right now, peace and health right now in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay, fantastic, guys. And we are, I'm going to check our stream, see if our stream is working. And I gotta go somewhere. And you're still close to completely progress. And I don't see where I would be streaming. It's on your mind. And nothing there. Okay, well, okay. Oh, maybe we can do this. Share screen, and we got the streaming thing going on. Well, okay. Well, we're gonna waste any time on that. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to share my screen. Let's go ahead and look over at my market heat map and arrangement of currency pairs by percentage change. See what's hopping, what's popping, what's dropping in the market. And so I'm going to share screen 2, share some sound, and let's get to it. And I hope you guys are doing great. Happy Thursday. We're almost done. I can see the weekend around the corner. And boy, we had some volatile movements overnight. We'll check that. We'll take a look at my market heat map, arrangement of currency pairs by percentage change, to see what's hopping, what's popping, what's dropping, and what's not. And we can see that the Aussie has stepped back a little bit. Dollar yen has taken the top spot, followed by the Kiwi dollar, dollar CAD, US dollar moving up, dollar Swiss down at 0, pound dollar 0. Very tight ranges. And then we'll go and check the news and see if there's any good Asia or Aussie news worth trading. We did have a lot of UK data, most of it negative. And so this may be a good short. Remember, I had talked about the short. It's so interesting how you have currencies that start losing value. But you had the Epstein case, of course, but then it's just one symptom of other things. Like you say, if you find one roach, there's probably a whole family. Right. So even though they found the Epstein videos and things like that was negative. But then you have all this other data that's coming along with it, right? So we do have we have Chinese house prices coming up in an hour. Going to be during our 8 o'clock money train or 8:30 money train. They're expected to rise from negative 2.7% to negative 2.6%, and it's a medium impact. And I know we don't trade the Chinese renminbi or the yuan, as it's called. However, Australia and New Zealand are big trading partners, and usually we can use the Australian dollar or the New Zealand dollars as proxies, as a proxy for the Chinese currency. So we'll still probably see some type of pop in Australia. We also have New Zealand business inflation expectations. That's going to be 21.30. That's going to be at 9:30. So it's going to be probably beyond our time trading together. But if you're welcome this, we're looking at business inflation to fall from 2.28 to 1.7%. That actually might be negative for the currency, as lower inflation usually means that interest rates are not going to go any higher. Interest rates are the biggest drivers of currencies. And so that's part of our whole mashup. When we when I attack the markets, I like looking at the fundamental backdrop. Sometimes it means nothing. Sometimes it gives us a little clue, and sometimes you'll see the trend and those news items line up. And when you do, then you can look out. Look out, Jim. Okay. Who's Jim? Okay. Anyway. Let's move on. Let's go to CNBC, check some headlines, and see some big headlines. There are a couple of big headlines I posted. We're going to get to a point where we don't need CNBC. We'll just go to school because I've been posting some big headlines, especially the call for Putin wants to re-dollarize or abandon the BRICS system and get back into the dollar system. So it's more than a notion to try to create an entire system, right? I guess you could get AI to build it, right? So here is the overnight market for overnight meeting U.S. morning, and we can see that the Dow Jones Industrial Average got spanked down 1.34% to 669.42. S&P 500 down 1.5%, 668.3276. NASDAQ Composite down 2%, 22,597.14. Russell 2000 down 2%, 2,615.83. And the fear index, the VIX, is up 20.82, up 17.96%. Usually it hovers around 15 or 16. It's spiking up to 20, means that there's fear in the market, right? And our fear trades, we automatically know that once hey, Lisa, nice to see you. The moment we see the fear index rise, we start thinking long yen, long Swiss franc, long dollar, right? With risk off, right? We just haven't seen the currencies. Some of the Aussie is still holding up. Is it going to maybe it's topping out, pull back, and maybe our other good news risk on currencies pulling back? I know pound Aussie has been in a straight line down, but let's go ahead and look at the charts. I didn't see any other big headlines. Apple stock was worst day since April. So it's February, right? And this is when they knew all this stuff was going to happen. They just released it. They wait to February to release it. They're not going to release it in November or December during Christmas, so they don't get the Christmas bonuses. But all the rats are going to be found out and released in February. Because why? Traditionally, February is the worst month for stocks. And why we look at stocks when we trade currencies, there is a strong correlation between stocks and the S&P 500 and major currencies. You need currencies to buy stocks, right? You sell your dollars to buy Amazon. You sell your dollars to buy Netflix. So moving right on to CNBC. We're going to take a quick look at Bloomberg, just looking at any big headline. We do have a shutdown of the DHS, and the liberal media is talking about, it's going to hurt ICE. The problem is ICE is funded already. That's the big, beautiful bill funded ICE. So all this will do is inconvenience people who travel, because guess what? Transportation and airport security is under DHS. So you won't have any gate agents and things like that. Air traffic control is under DHS as well. And so that's going to inconvenience a lot of people flying, and it's not going to hurt ICE at all. It's just a symbolic thing. So if they can't cut a deal, I would avoid airline travel. Okay, and then Asian stocks drop after AI. They're trying to blame AI jitters on Wall Street. I know John was talking about the AI that they don't make any money. Everything is free, just like the old internet days. Internet was free. Everything is free. Free this, free that, free that. But where is the model? How can you make any money? How can you monetize it? Monetization is the key word. And AI is not being monetized, and so they knew that. I mean, it's like, does this all have this news comes out? But it's a reason for them to sell their stocks at high prices while Main Street is still holding on, right? Coinbase posts 6.667 million net loss. Revenue declines 20%. Right? So we're seeing this whole big gold stays after a sharp drop. And let's go ahead and go to school. And then here is our I didn't post that. Okay. Sterling, the Japanese yen story, and I guess I was going to post that story later on, right? But just a little quick info break here. We're celebrating 30 years, my 30 years in the market, a special 6-week opportunity for traders. Traders today, in 1996 was the year my oldest daughter was born, and also the year my trading journey began. Over 30 years, I trained under Mark Douglas, who wrote Trading in the Zone, and I became a former Wall Street analyst. And this is my baby daughter, my oldest, Alexa. She's now 30 years old, and that's my KCRW T-shirt. You know, I used to listen to public radio before it turned weird. But yeah. But that's the reason that I got into trading, because it was like the old ABC song. Who wants to be tell me who wants to be a millionaire? And I see the future and I can't afford it. And so funny, I got a fan right here too, right? I got my fan. I always have a fan, right? I always have my fans, right? But anyway, she was the reason I got into trading, because the price of diapers and the price of food and all this other stuff, I had to find another way to make some money. And Lisa says, "Congrats, thank you." Right, so I'm offering if you come over here, we have 30 spots, probably down to about 15 spots. So we're doing really well right now. And so, what's the number one thing holding you back? I'm not talking to my VIPs. I'm talking to our people on YouTube and on. They are on YouTube and Facebook, right? That's right, YouTube and Facebook. So let me go ahead and awesome. So I'm gonna put the link in the chat box, and we're gonna go back to trading. I'm gonna find there we go. 6-week trading breakthrough built for 30 years in the market, and I'm gonna pop that in our chat, and it will go out to all of our people out there who are watching this on YouTube too. Our chats are merged, so pretty cool. Okay, let's go right to the charts, and I have to resize them. So let me stop sharing. Get those charts resized for you. Give me a moment here, all right? Because we have a global audience here. And we want to. So British pound versus the Australian dollar is something I've been looking at. Let me go ahead and share my screen again. And here we go. The entire screen 2, share audio, share. Okay. So here we go. Oh, move my water out of the way. I can't see the screen. My water over here. So that's a nice trend there. This is a daily chart. Lots of consolidation and a big drop down, right? This is a 4-hour chart. We can see that we're in a lower highs, lower lows, and I'm looking for this to possibly time down for a short. See if there's any. Looks like we have a price floor down at the 59.912 area there, and we're looking for some break. We might or might not get that break during our session, but what I'll do is I'm going to put an alarm there. And then that way, if it does trigger the alarm while we're trading and some other things, we can take advantage of this trend. We've got some lower highs and lower lows. I think we have a bigger view, weekly view of this thing where this is we dropped and we rallied, and pound Aussie goes the opposite direction of the euro, so it is. It's kind of picked up some steam, dropped them, walking down to a 2-hour chart. Not soup yet. It's getting there, though. This has a nice little bear flag pattern. Love my bear flags. And then the flag gets broken. Then we've got a nice long drop to go to retest the old low and go beyond, right? So we can even take a measurement objective there and see, okay, that is 109, 83 to 191. That's 100 and 110 pips. If we could get some movement to the south side, that's a 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, and we just need to come out of that 4-hour, drop it down to a 30-minute, and looks like it's the 200 simple moving average comes in at 192.20, 192.53, and that's an old high there. I'm actually going to put an alarm there too, because I might want to sell it high against the 200 and the channel. I'm going to add an alert there too, right? It might take a day or so to get there. It might not even get there on Monday, but at least it's set up for us to kind of see what's going on. Euro Aussie is the same way. Big, strong downtrend, lower swing highs and lower swing lows. And we are just not, and we're actually closer to the 200 simple moving average than the pound Aussie. So this one might give us a breakdown, a change in structure. We'll add the alert there. If we break that line, this dotted line, we should see a continuation of this downtrend. Right? Yeah, we have our. Oh, that's what we're missing our trend channel. Let me go ahead and add that. The adaptive trend finder. There we go. There we go. Okay. Right. So we're in a channel. Dollar CAD was looking interesting to me. It seems like the Trump keeps beating up on the Canadian dollar. We have a nice double bottom here on the 4-hour chart. We're actually starting something, right? With the dollar strength. Like I said, Putin talked about re-dollarization of Russia, of coming back into the dollar system, and so that is also putting pressure on the Canadian dollar, because this is the U.S. dollar getting stronger, and we have a nice little pullback there. Let's drop it down to 15 minutes. Maybe we'll start something. I really don't like that chart there. Okay, there we go. Long, drawn out pullbacks. Not a big fan of, but maybe something will happen. Right? Got some higher lows. You could place a stop. That's a big long wick. They put these big long wicks. I am dollar strong, and if any of you guys, I'm going to walk through these pairs. I really don't have a bias. Gold was, gold just dropped like a rock, right? I did have that story up, right, with the yeah. See, I got this little message. Okay, make sure I'm recording. The internet drops, and that's when it stops the recording. So I'm watching that like a hawk now. Where is the falling bear? I'm missing some stories there. Oh, there it is. Gold grounded, bears take control, dollar flexes. Right, there we go. Yeah. So we dropped all the way down to 48.78, lowest point all week. We'll see if there was a spike in demand for dollars. There was a demand for dollars, so they traded the gold for dollars, and that's what gave us our big dollar surge. In fact, if we position this up, we can see some of our dollar pairs near the top. Oh, pound yen is pulled back quite a bit. Let's go over there. Pound yen. 5-minute trend is up. We got a nice pullback. 15 seconds. Okay. Bottom of the channel. Okay. I'm going to take a shot here. The dragon. Pound yen. 208.28. And let's see if we can move on up. 200 simple moving average is here at the 208.37. Probably get 10 pips out of that. And I'll put the stop loss below the swing low. So I'm risking 3 to make 6. That looks pretty good, I think. What do you guys think, right? Pound yen. Pound yen was my friend. We called that the dragon. Riding the dragon. Perfect for. All right, it's doing its thing. Hey now. Okay, let's see. Don't please no head and shoulders here. We got a shoulder and a head. We need to break the high. The high is at 208.30. Ooh, reversal candlestick. Okay, let's see. Spread, the 3 pips spread. So that's why when we pulled the trigger, it gave us, Okay, so it looks like it's forming a. You need to break that high, but looking at them by buying close to the support and the rising channel, we would be okay. But it's pulling back. Okay, and okay. Oh, I think we're gonna stop out. I'm not finished with this. It's that if the reasons to get in the trade still exist, we'll try again. But hopefully we can do it at a better price. Got a okay. Try it again. Okay. 208.24. Stop loss still. Corpus below the low is 208.18. 18 is way down here. Wow. Right. So we get 10 pips out of this baby. Let's see if we get 10. 10 pips actually is 67 cents a pip, about 670, right? So that's 1 to 1. But let's see if we can. The 45. There's 50. The 50 line is here. How about the top of the channel? Oof. We got an ABC. And we got the fake move. We got the our candle's gone to indecision. We have a doji in the 5-minute. Okay, that didn't work. Just taking that line across the top there. Okay. Here we go. Let's see if we avoid our stop. Where are you now? All right, big candle. Go. We can break some of these wicks here, break these highs. This ABC 1, 2. No. I'm trying to get that. Trying to get that. Oh, okay. That's our flag. Okay. Fun with flags. We're in the money. We're in the money. Ooh, okay, came back. This is ABC. This is Air 1, B or 2. If this is our 2, we should see a big move. We need to stay above this high, though. I mean, this low. We need to, in order to maintain structure of higher highs and higher lows, we need to stay above that, and we need to break north from there. And then that'll give us a very big expansion target. Big one. Monkey. Amy, big one. Right? You can see the 100% expansion at 208.34. And our 1.61 is at 208.42. Typical expansion target. I might just pull it back a little bit just to get that. 993. And I'll actually move this stop up now, because if that's my 2, then I can place my stop below that, and that gives me a 3-to-1 risk to reward. Okay. Well, I'm calling this a, based on my wave count. Could be wrong, right? It should break and go north. 3 should be the largest, right? But we haven't, we got a hold above that low, and we got stopped out. Okay, that didn't work. And that's a big Gippy candle too. And we have a new low, or same low. Okay, same low. We have a structure change, and I think we do. We made a new low. All right. So is that it? Okay. Oh, head, shoulder. That's pretty mean looking head and shoulders there. It came down to the 200 moving average. And it looks like a head and shoulders in a downtrend, really. And so our higher time frame could see a retest of the lows. Okay, so what we're gonna do is wait for a retrace and try to get it on the downside. We thought we could at least get back to the old high and keep going, but that might not be it. Oh, it's all about on the top and over here, right? Let's see where this. I drew it wrong. Yeah. Take it from the top to the bottom. Let's zoom in on there. Right. Small body candle. Probably gonna hit it short. But I want to see a completed ABC for a possible short. Maybe we go up a bit. And really want to see a structure change there. Okay. All right. We'll watch it. I think we get one more bounce. Oh, we're not. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm gonna jump on it. Stop loss above the previous high. Maybe the 30% retracement. Well, let's let her rip. Oh, I need to make this line global. Copy and paste. No. That's 207.60. 207.60. That's way down here, right? 207.60. Okay. Or 207.60. That's way down here. Wow. Okay. Okay, got alternative count. This could be a double bottom, right? But it's not. We got a new break, south side break, making me a lower low. We have a lower high, a lower low, and there we go.
Sell, sell, sell. Don't buy, don't buy.
I can bring that stop down. Now I have a risk-free trade. And that's what you want to have. You want to have a risk-free trade that if he gets stopped out, I'll make $130. Not bad for being wrong, right? Now, if you have a smart trailing stop, which I don't know any smart trailing stops, they arbitrarily say, "Oh, bring it down 30 tips." Oh, wow, spread widened out. We got clicked out. Okay. Well, anyway. All right. So definitely not ABC. Try this again. Blah 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 blah. Oof. Oh, hit the 200 SIP moving average. Retracing pretty. We need to have, right? Okay. 38% retracement. Breaking outside the channel. Struggling. Small body candle. hit this for a little bit more size here. There we go. Multiple tops at the 200. Oh, it breaks the 200. Okay. 50% retracement. The 618, the golden mean, 208.22. 25 line is somewhere in here. The 25. We'll see tweezer tops. Red candle, small body candle. I'm going to wait for another one. Ooh, we got two small body candles. I don't know. Looks like a trap. Small body candle with a wick. Two candles. Again, I'm gonna take a shot at it. Stop 4 or 5 pips above the high. No, take profit. Take profit. Stop loss 4 or 5 pips above the high. High is 208.20. We're gonna go 208.25, right? That's what I don't want to see. Oof. Drop, I say. Money follows my voice, and my word is law. I am the law. Don't like that. I want to see lower lows and lower highs. If I see a higher high, I'm probably going to cut this fast. Oh, 2 candles. Okay. I am going to. I'm out. I'm what? We'll see if it double tops. Oh yeah, it shrank. Come on, I need a red candle after that. Okay, the big red candle. That's what I'm talking about. You know, triple top. Now I need a new low. I need to break the low of 208.16. Looks like a trap. Okay. Because we have buyers stepped in, pushed that red one back. It was a full body red candle. Sellers coming in. There we go. Big one. Monkey, pay me. Hey.
Sell. Don't buy.
Okay, still not out of the woods yet. You close and a new candle, a new red candle, double top. Don't stop till you drop. Let's go. I'm gonna bring the stop down. Lower my risk. We're at break even. We are in the money. Let's go. Okay. This has to go down because this could be 1 and 2. So if it tries to get back above where I got in, I'm going to bail. I'll move that all the way down. Use a 200. Have my 200 as a human shield. Yeah. There we go. Keep going. Big one. There we go. Lock some profit in. So that way we'll move. You get stopped out, make $588. Not bad. I'd rather get $5,490. Come on. Push it. Big one. Pay me. Pay me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Drop. Retest the low. No, give me an inside day. I'm going to take that out. Okay. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Out on green. Back in on red. Yeah, 8%. Yeah, Jay goes, hey, you're 8% to target. Don't go to Walmart. Pound yen's in a downtrend. Yeah, that's what it seems like. Now, I was bullish against this double bottom, thinking that we're gonna get this retrace. And it was just probably an A, B, C, 1, 2. Well, big one's coming, huh? Big one drop. Go. Oh, come on. Fill me. Big one. Big drop is coming. There we go. Big one. Oof. Oh, it filled me 3 different times. Oh my God. I just pressed 1. Like when you try to get into a good trade, you got against the wall, and then it gets stuck, It's like, don't give me that. There we go. Breakdown, or breakout. Let's go. So this one holds the key where this is gonna go. This move right here, right? 100% expansion is 207.99. Oh, let me do something here. I barely read what's going on here. Yeah, let's. I need like 32. There we go. There we go. The jitterbug charts. Jitterbug. The phone for seniors with the big numbers. It's not funny. Big one. Monkey. Pay me. Drop, baby. Wave 3. Got my A, B, C to the upside. Big 1, 2, 3. There you go. On cue. And the crowd goes wild. Yeah. I'll take that. I'll take the 100% expansion. It's $19,000. Oh, give me a green candle. You got the RTTSC, return to the scene of the crime. Price broke down. My ring cam says, no, you don't. You better keep going. Come on. Drop. Oof. Retesting. $207.99, whole number round number. We're at 0 zeros down here. We broke through 25. We didn't get to 25. So the next round number quarter line is at 208.00, right? We're just going a little bit. Trend line break color change. There we go. Big one. Reach out, touch someone. You're never too far. Help someone make their day. I'm going to take this, and the crowd goes. No. There we go. Let's just do it again. Got green candle, small body inside day candle, 208.06. We're looking at 2800. No worries. It's all about the flags, baby. What'd you call me? I said flag. Flags. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the flags. Bear flags. Bear. Flags. Okay. Here we go. Nothing up my sleeve, and presto. Here we go. Oh, where is the low? We made a new low, right? We made a new low, then this is the new Fibby. Fibby. Cat. I name it Fibby. I'm allergic to cats. They make me sneeze. Here we go. Here's a 38% retracement. Reach out, touch. Oh, try a blowout, huh? All right. Shrinking, I don't know about that. Small body candle, inside day. Oof. You might have jumped in. You didn't have red, Greg. I know. I was so eager to saw the 38% retracement. I saw a red line. I didn't see a red candle. Ooh. You broke your rule, Greg. Yeah. You trade on red candles, and red candles in a downtrend, not green candles. And you got another green candle. And another green candle. That went up. Okay, that's small inside day candle. Might get saved, Greg. If this is a 3, 4, 5, and this is A, B, the B could save us, and I'll bail on this right away. All right. Oof. And we're not bailing out Greg. It's like, you know what? Take that.
Sell.
Triple top, better drop. Small body candle, yes. There we go. Painty, big one. Get out of this trade. Oh, A or 1, B or 2. Oh, that didn't give me. Okay. Come on. Tighten that spread. The spread's blowing me out. Come on now. Oh, Chafa. So cheap. $65. Oh, 42. You got $500, Greg. Candles are losing strength. Big one. One more big one. Just give me a big one. Oh, I'll never do this again. I promise. Ah! Okay. It's a downtrend. I don't trust that. 3, 4, 5, A or 1, B or 2, or A, B, C. I don't know. If we break the low, then we're good, right? All right, come on. Yes, violation. All right. You're out of there. All right. Let's give me. Oh, it went to the 200, the 100% expansion. 207.99. Yeah. All right, no worries. Reload. Okay. There we go. I'm proud of my flag. Red, white, and blue. All right. Oh, this thing, where's the low? Oh, there's the low. We got a new low. Oh, trend line break already? Ah. Wow. What did it? This thing should drop to like 207.60 really fast. Oh, look at another green candle. Small body green candle. Oh. Oh. Okay. Ooh. All right. Back to the 38. Small body candle. Retest the 38. 38% Fibo. The 200 simple moving average. One of the most widely watched technical indicators. Oh, and a break above the 200. But will it hold above the 200? Or is it just I'm I'm not jumping in early though. I need to see red. Trade on red candles. Follow your rules. Don't be a rule breaker. Follow your recipe. There we go. At the 200, we're sandwiched between the 200, the 50% retracement, the 38. Lots of downward pressure. Small body red candle. Fire. Okay, dollar cost average into that. New red candle. Let's go for the 127% expansion or the 1.618. That's 207.86. And we're gonna put our stop loss above the high. Whoa, above the high is like $17,000, right? I want the man, that's gonna hurt. $18,000, right? All right. 200 drop, baby. Come on. Yes, come on. Need a new low. We need to break 208.09 and we'll be lower low. Lower low. $208.09 or 208.07 or 04. Just any type of structure, a change in structure. A change in structure. There we go. Good job. Good job. Ooh, that stopped down a little bit. Ooh, come on. Lower low, lower high, big one. A or 1, B or 2, C or 3 later. Take out 207.98. There we go. Here, boy. You want a bone? I know what you want. You want a bone, right? Yeah, you haven't. There we go. Here's a bone. There we go. Come here, boy. Come on. Right here. On the other side of this. Come on down here. Get all the bones you want. There we go. You want another bone? I get you another one, right? You get 2 bones. There we go. Hopefully this dog's not vegetarian. Oh, okay. Come on. And they probably fire a warning shot at it. Like, don't go there. Drop. Tendency of the market is to go with the flow. And as Jay correctly pointed out, the flow is down. And I got stopped out a couple of times because I was on the wrong direction. And the money train starts in 1 minute. 1 minute. I know we had some Australian news. I didn't check it out. Don't know what the Aussie dollar was doing. But no, pound yen has given us lots of fun and laughs. But it's slowing up. I'm thinking probably some people think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're trying to get a 5 to the north side. No! Oh, wow. My stop got triggered. That was the count. Yeah, I was looking at that counter trend count. Boo. Wow. That sure was looking like a bull flag. All right. I guess it was a vegetarian. Okay. There's something going on here, though. There is this. 2, 618. It could be like a what do they call that? Liquidity sweep. Okay, well, I got a couple of red candles. I think they're just trying to shake me out. Well, they did shake me out. Three-wick ABC. Waked up of the 618. Well, A or 1, B or 2, C or 3. You break 208.08. Running back against the 200 simple moving average. Well, it's trying again. Wow, it's pushing up with a double top. I'm bailing if it breaks the high, but I put a line there. It's a really aggressive 1-2. Ooh, double top. Yeah, oh, new high. Gotta cut it. Gotta kill it. Wow. Wow. Wowzers. Ugh. And that didn't work. Okay. Well, you know what? I think I've had enough of pounding the end. Maybe it's a double top. I'm gonna start from scratch, huh? Ooh, new high. I definitely like this. Our 5-minute chart. Turn it up. Making higher highs. And we made a slightly higher low. Anyway, this too messy. We're still in this consolidation. We haven't broke the high of 208.39, haven't broke the low of 207.89, and we didn't get down to the old low. So, oh well. Next, Aussie yen doing the same. Yeah, it must be something in Japan going on because all the yen pairs are rallying. All kind of doing the same thing. In the context of a 1 minute and 15 seconds, if you got any type of pullback in there, we could take it for a little bit. Let's see. So know that that's the end and it falls back down in trend. Okay, moving on. Aussie dollar has been good to us, and so we'll go back there to see if it's still tasty or not. Go back to the majors. And AUD USD. Don't see it. It's okay. Well, this is we walk it back, our higher time frame chart on the left-hand side. We trade in 2 time frames. Let's go ahead. We start for a monthly, and our monthly is, of course, up. We saw that. The last part of it is up. However, there is a downtrend line that we have not hit yet, and we'll probably run until we hit it. So if we take 2 swing highs and connect them, you can see that the intersection of those lines will happen around the 76 area. We're about 600 pips around any type of resistance, and then we also have the 200 simple moving average at 73.06. So we got a long way there, right? Oh, this thing is really taking up, right? Let's walk it down quickly. Weekly's up. Okay, daily is kind of sauntering there. 4 hour. Ooh, 4 hour actually looks like it's pulling back. 2 hour. Maybe bottoming out. 1 hour. Flat. Really haven't gone anywhere. 30-minute at the 200. And maybe that's what this little pop is going on. The drop looks like pound yen. Walk down to 15. And we are still moving sideways. This little part's up right now, but we're still in a box. No, we're in a box. We haven't really gone anywhere. Three-minute. We're in a box below the 200. Just wondered if we can. So we went from downtrend to sideways trend, and right here we're up, but we're hitting against old resistance. I wonder if you take a short. A short in the range. Try to get half the range. Half is about there. Let's see if we can get 70.87. We have an uptrend within a channel, and we're really haven't hit the top of the channel. Came really close to it. To me, this is still a slight uptrend because we have not made a lower low, we made a higher low. But we're also in a downward channel. And now we have that as our high. If we don't break that, right? That's the line. That's the line right there, right? So that trend line is this line coming down at it. Let me move this out of the way so I can see the chat box. So if any of you guys see something different, or if you got some other ideas. So Jeff, you're short the yen pairs. Okay, here we go. 70.93. Trying to get back to maybe see if our price will come back and retest the 200 simple moving average at 70.87.2. And we can probably draw a Fibonacci on there too. See if there's some correlation or confluence. Oh. Get rid of this so we can see the charts better. Okay. We're going to set up for the drop. $8.11. My name is Dr. Greg McLeod, and I am the CEO and founder of the Elite Traders University. And we are trading the Asia session. And a lot of traders are afraid of the Asia session. They say it's boring. There's nothing going on. You've got to know where to find the action. You got to know where to go. And over the past 30 years, I have examined new opportunities, and just in recent times I've been trading Asia session. It's better for me. I'm not a big morning person. I don't want to get up at 6 o'clock my time to trade the Eastern time zone, and I can have dinner after 7 to 9 Eastern time. It's still 6 o'clock Pacific time, and I have my whole evening free, and I can go to sleep at a normal, regular bedtime and stay in bed, which is very important to me. I didn't get into trading to have an 8-hour job. I got into trading for freedom. And my students and my graduates have that freedom because they know how to trade. They know the pip and run system. So if you're interested in the pip and run system and you're watching on YouTube or on the Facebook group, reach out. We're having a special 6-week pip and run inspiration session. I'm going to take this $2,000, right? At the 38% retracement. What about that, right? So, like I said, when we're in a range, we can go shorts and longs. It just becomes very dangerous when you're in a strong downtrend and then trying to buy, or being in a strong uptrend and trying to sell, right? This, we can see that this neutral, we had moving averages in there like a 5 and 8. It would be twisting around with no bias, no preference. And so we can look to see if we which direction it's going, and then we can trade the bottom. We can buy the bottom of the channel, right? We have several bottoms. We can sell the top, right? And we really didn't get all the way to the top, and we really didn't get all the way to the middle. There maybe there's another shot in there to get short. A bounce off of the resistance line. Dollar yen moving up. All right, let's put an alarm on this. I'm gonna add an alert, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at dollar yen. Thanks for pointing that out, Steve. Hey, see something, say something. There we go. Nice big move. 3-minute chart, higher highs and higher lows. 15-second charts like saying, hey, I'm needing a break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a break of that Kit Kat bar. Right? Oh, alarm went off. Which one? Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie. No, I'm not. Lisa is, but I'm not Aussie. You're an Aussie. Euro Aussie. I'm here all day, folks. Oh, okay. Well, I think we were looking for a short on this, right? It doesn't look shortable yet. I'll put another alarm. How about that? Create an alert. Let's get back to dollar yen. Okay. Here she goes. Euro dollar alarm. Okay. Everybody's going there. Crossing 11867. Okay. All right. Let's jump on an alarm. Let's see what's going on there. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I need some action here. All right. Let's we'll take it down to old low, right? Put our stop 4 or 5 pips above the high. High is 118.68, and 72. Ooh, 72 is way up here. Out there here behind the 200 simple moving average, and that's going to give us a 1-to-1. Maybe we want a little bit more than that. Maybe. Ooh, just below the 50 about that. Okay. All right. Go back to the dollar yen. Dollar yen should be heading back up, right? Not yet. Is it soup yet? No. Are we there yet? No. We're there yet? No. 30% retracement is down here at 153.47. That's the discount price. Ooh, I got a candle there. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take it. Yeah, bye. All right. Because I'm getting short candles on the euro dollar. Usually moves the opposite direction of dollar yen. So that kind of like sometimes when I have alerts on different currencies, they go off different at the same time. Usually gives me a hint. We can move back to the high 53.24. I don't know, we're getting kind of cheap, kind of tricked out of with this. We get 2 candles, we wait, and then they give us a red one, right? And then they give us a doji. All right. Let's do this. Trading view. And see, the 23% retracement, I never really trust it, as it probably wants to go all the way down to the 38. Our 3-minute chart is turned red. Oh, there we go. And our 5-minute chart still looks a little bit green. Come on. Euro dollar. Okay, we can grow that. Okay, Euro Aussie. Okay. Okay, we can turn you off. I got my alarm. No, pound Aussie didn't go off with it. This euro keeps going off by. Okay. All right. Maybe I'm gonna. There we go. Thank you. There we go. Ooh, pulling back. Air 1, beer 2, seer 3 later, right? 3 waves within a 5. 3, 4, 5. Are you ready to rumble? Okay. Go, baby, go. Big one, monkey. Hit me, big one. I'll take you. There we go. No worries. We got paid. Euro Aussie. I'm gonna take like Euro Aussie really quick. It's gonna. What happened? Oh, long. Look at that long wick. Trigger my alarm, will ya? Like a raccoon digging in a trash can, you know? Get out of here with that, you know? Oh, another raccoon in the trash can. Oh, what's going on here? I can't see anything. Nothing's going on. If you're looking at your charts, you're probably not going to see anything. There we go. And what do we have here? Do we have a 3, 4, 5 or alternative count 5 ABC? Oh, I think I'm gonna take that. Get long and strong. Stop loss a little low. Oh, it's gonna be a 1-to-1, but I think I'll take that. Ooh, take it. There we go. Yeah, I just wanted that. Got a long wick, pull back against the wick. I'll be back on the dime. I'll hit it. Try it again. Okay. Slingshot. Got a flag. Hey, you're a flag. Like, what'd you call me? A flag. It's a flag. Take your money. Just go. Just go. It's so slow. Go. Come on. Oof. Red. Red, 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 red wine. Don't know that song. We don't do that. We're out of that. Okay. Remove. Oh. Oh, dollar cost averaging, baby. Pay me. Big one. Big one. Hit what? Hit me. Big one. Wolf's gonna take it. Take it. Take it. Oh no. Get your finger off the trigger. Oh no. Up. Don't 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 do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Kick me. Hit me. Turn off your mic. You're blowing my concentration. Oh my god. Stop. All right. Guys. While I'm in the zone, guys, you can't turn your microphones on, okay? Me and you high. I'm not jumping in. I had something else in mind, but alas. Still. Okay, let's return back to the scene of the crime and test this. Retest the 5324 area. You know what? What's going on there? Hasn't gone anywhere. Hasn't done any. Oh, 15-second chart maybe. Yeah. I kept looking at the 30 chart. Oh my god. Yeah. Where's my? Oof. I didn't draw any lines on it. Screwy. Oh my goodness. This was perfect. I had it. I had the retracement. Just didn't. We had money. We had multiple money trains going in. That one that started at 8 p.m. Right. All right. Holy cow. Okay. We're at 29, 30, 15-second chart. Oh, yeah. Okay. Whatever. Stop. Where's. Let me get rid of this one. She kept chiming, but I kept looking at the 30-minute chart. You're not going to see nothing on the 30. All the alarm was placed on the 30-minute chart. That's why. User error. I need. Okay. All right. Let's go back. Go back, I said. Go back. Dollar yen. We're at 30. All right. Come on back. Come on back. Retest. Okay. The Aussie dollar is selling off, right? Oh, look at that. Ooh, but look at that candle. No, I wouldn't touch that. Let's go back. Ooh, that's all the pullback we're getting? Nah. We're at the top of a. You know what? Oof. This is one of those counter trend. Don't go counter trend, Greg. Wow, that's all the pullback you got off of that. Man. That was it. Where is our pivot points? Yeah, this is okay. You know what? I'm gonna take a short. I'm gonna do a Jeff, and I'm gonna see if we can we get down back down to the 38%. I'll go with 23% retracement. How about that? But I'm gonna put a stop loss. One, yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, it's gonna be like a 1-to-1. It's stupid. Want to get taken out. Ow! Look at that. Well, there I have an R2 pivot right there. The old videos we used to use pivot points. And you know why I don't put pivot points in my chart? Because they don't work anymore, right? Well, I put it on there for old time's sake. I'm thinking maybe we get a multiple top, and then price comes back down and gives me a pullback, a retest of the breakout. This was a double top, and we look for a pullback again. That could all be BS and gobbledygook. From a trend perspective, we have the trend making higher highs and higher lows, and we should not take a short unless we have a change in structure. However, there's something I'm seeing. I always see like this 3, 4, 5, A, B, and I'm thinking C, but this is low probability, a low probability trade. But going long is low probability too, because this thing was like hanging up above. The oscillators are all hanging out really high too. So it's really I don't do anything area. Just kind of wait. I'm slightly ADD, so I kind of want to do something, and then I get paid maybe, and then this only breeds bad habits because I make money doing something like this, and then I do it again. But again, I know it's not a great trade. I know it's like not even and this is my exit, right? Don't give me no tweezer tops. Don't give me that. That's BS. Come down to 38% retracement. Come to my neighborhood. Come to my neighborhood. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, but I know you're not supposed to trade on feelings and things. That's not a feel good trade to me, right? So my feel good versus my risk aversion versus I probably wouldn't do it again, right? See, I had this R2 pivot, which is like something that I don't even use anymore, right? Oh, it's not even the R2, it's the central pivot. R2 is like way up here somewhere. That's R1. Oh my god, R2 is right there. I didn't even read the outside. Like, I saw an orange line, went short. Good job, Greg. Oh, it's gonna keep going too, right? Oh wow, so like that. All right. And then you beat yourself up because you didn't hold it long enough. It's like, I should have held it longer. It's like, no, I shouldn't. It wasn't that great a trade. The great trade will be when this thing breaks back, bounces, green candle. That's going to be epic. My account. Ooh. My 15-second count is that we're in a double. We just completed a double top. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong chart. I wonder. Wow. There we go. I was looking at. Oof. Come on down. Oh, this is gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. Magic trick. Watch me pull some money out. Watch me pull some money out. Remember this little circle from yesterday? Remember? Hit me. Bam, baby. Let's do this thing. Let's do this thing.
Buy, buy, buy!
Take it. Wow. Yeah. How you like those apples? I just showed you guys the magic key. You can. I have I'll use a couple of those, and you are golden. You can tell your boss to take a hike, right? When I do my presentation, I always tell people, I have a lifetime teaching credential from the state of California signed by Arnold Schwarzenegger. So I'm authorized to teach. I'm licensed to terminate your job, and you won't be back, right? So yeah, that is it. Arnie signed that. All right. Getting hungry. What you guys have for dinner? What you guys having for dinner? If you're watching on YouTube, give me some $signs. Show me some love. Let me know that you're out there. Or you're the VIPs. How about some $signs in the chat box? Green candle trend line break. Thanks, Jay. And we'll hit it. Hit it. It takes two to make things all right. Da, 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 da. All right.
Buy, buy, buy!
Let's go. Okay. Little stall out there. Little electrical shock here. $53.24 by 25. Red beans and rice with smoked sausage. There you go. I made that for Christmas, right, John? John came over for Christmas. I made red beans and rice with sausage. Oh, that sounds like a great idea. I've got some Earl Campbell smoked sausages, from Houston Oilers, Earl Campbell. Yeah. You only can buy them in Texas. So I bought a whole half a suitcase of those suckers in my freezer. Sean! What's up? I can't. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Is that it? Small body candle? Oh no. Oh no, Mr. Bill. Oh no. Mr. Sluggo. You get that? Oh, you know. Oh, you know. Yeah, I have the liquid smoke. Yeah, I just bought a bottle. I was telling Tomas about it, and I had cooked for him, and I said I got to buy some liquid smoke. I'm all out. You know, I made a hamburger in the air fryer. You put a frozen patty in the air fryer for 9 minutes. Oh, you know, I put a couple of drops of that liquid smoke in there. And it's like you put in the barbecue grill. It has, you know, little. So that's my hack, right? I'm hungry now. Yeah, I mean it's 5. It'll be dinner time for us on the West Coast. East Coast people probably already ate. They should make a universal time, right? It's same time everywhere. That wouldn't work, right? There we go. Is this our? Yeah, let's count our ways. Let me count the ways. How I love thee. Let me count the ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A or 1, B or 2. And you C or 3 later. We have break 53.25. We need to hold the old low though. 21 has to hold. A double bottom would be okay, but if we go lower, we broke structure, or we're actually continuing the structure of lower highs and lower lows. But we want a change of structure. We want a new high and a new low. One of the core principles of pip and run is structure. Again, if you want to learn pip and run, we are one of these tabs is there we go. Yeah. 6-week trade breakthrough built from 30 years of market knowledge. And you can sign up for this 1996, the year my daughter was born. Special birthday price for 6 weeks. The Pip and Run experience. Experience Pip and Run for this 1996 for 6 weeks. And I tell you what, once you taste it, you're going to love it. And you're going to want to sign up for longer. And we'll give you a special discount on that too. All right. Back to the charts. All right. A or 1, B or 2. I know we need to break 25. 24 by 25. I get 26, 27. 24 by 25, 24 9 by 25, 5. He knows that I'm going to pull the trigger on you. I'm going to dollar cost average it. Break it. Bam. Hit me. All right. Let's do this thing.
Bye.
Well, I'm just not liking that red candle over here on the 5 minute. But we got 2 minutes left in the 5 minute candle. I might just take that. You know, it's like a chicken. Yeah. Give me $700-800. I think I'm gonna take it. Did they slip us? No, we got it. All right. Market makers are nice today. Long wick, pullback. I think this is 1, 2, 3, 1. Give me a 2. Give me a pullback. Oh, it's 28. 28, 28, 28, 28 by 29. No, I'm going to wait for red. Wait for red. Ooh, 31. Snap. Crackle. Pop Rice Krispie. That thing turned green. Ooh, just give me a little bit of red. Don't chase Greg. Don't chase it. Oof. Small body candle. You'll be happy. This is a little 1, a little 2, a little 3. A 3 within a 2 and a pullback. 1, 2, 3. Or A, B, C. Could be a 1, 2, 3. There we go. There we go. Crap. Hey, I'm happy to see a red candle. Oh. And that fast it turned back green again. Okay, but they got a wick on it. All right. There we go. There we go. Red candle. Red candle. Give me another one. Can I buy a vowel? B. Correct. B is not a vowel. There we go. There we go. Nice one. Nice one. Pull it back. Give me that wave 2. Give me that 1-2 punch, baby. 50% retracement. Okay. No worries. Think it's someone trying to short this, huh? Hey, let's get short. Trend line break. 8 time colors. Let's get short. I saw it on a YouTube channel. All right. Give me your money. Just mail me your money. Don't even trade. You know, just to save the spread and commission. You know, just send me the money, take a hammer and hit your hand, hit your thumb, and it's going to be about the same, you know. You're going to feel pain, and you're not going to have any money, all right? So why even try to trade if you don't have pip and run? I give it a little bait. Now, this is okay. Here we go. Pull back. Pull back. This is a big one. 618. Twos can go all the way down to a double bottom. I'm glad we didn't chase it there. Oh, it's going up. You buy it and it drops on you. Done that before, right? You know, that's in the MyFX book, there's something called MFA. Anyway, let's see if I have it up here. Oh, I'm one green candle. No, it could be a trap. I'll take two. One lump or two. Bam, 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 two. Nice. One of those violent cartoons, you know? Oh, would you like some sugar in your coffee? Would you like one lump or two? You don't really even see sugar cubes anymore. And we used to use them, and when I taught school, we used them as building blocks. You put some Elmer's glue on them, and you can build houses and igloos and panoramas and stuff like that. So little school projects. We loved sugar cubes. I don't know where you could buy sugar cubes anymore. All right. So we're getting cubed right now. Okay, we need a whole 21. This is a big ABC. Oh, make or break at 21. This is not fun. Okay, enough already. Stop already.
Bye.
Come on. That's so not fair. The 88% smooth jazz, 88.6 FM on your radio dial, the last station of Fibonacci. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Don't play with me. I I will not be trifled with. Let's go. Let's go.
Bye, bye, bye! All aboard! All aboard!
Oof. Let's get back to the old high. Come on. Ooh, small body candle. Got a red one on the 5-minute. I'm going to go out to the 15. I know what Jay likes hanging out in the 15-minute. 15-minute looks good to me, It confirms my bullish bias. We got to hold 21, 53, 21. $22. Don't confuse kindness for weakness. A little Texas justice there. And we're at 53.23 on the dollar yen. Winding up our last few minutes here, live trading with Dr. Greg McLeod here. I'm the founder and president of the Elite Traders University. We are an organization dedicated to helping traders become more profitable faster. And my esteemed guests, my VIPs, Jay, John, and Steve, or Steve, Jay, and John, or you can call me John, you call me Ray, you call me Jay. You don't call me Raymond Johnson Jr. Oh, look, I'm making money. What a surprise. Gee, how did I do that? I don't know. Okay, because I've been doing this for 30 years and I've got a system that I make you sign an NDA, a non-compete agreement, and a non-disclosure agreement. That is so good that people are willing to sign their life away now for risk of being sued to the hilt. They won't, because they have this wonderful system that they can make money on at will. Money at will, right? So I took down a lot of the live trading videos because a lot of people, they like watching the videos, but they don't want to enroll in school. So all you guys are playing hooky, come to class and learn how to trade. Okay, I'm going to take this. Right, there we go. We took a lot of trades, but we took some massive we took a massive loss on the pound yen of 16 grand, and there we go. Come on. Ooh, long wick. That is so not right. I'm thinking we get right back to the old high. At least that'll give me 4,400. And again, did not wait for that red candle. Looking for the flags. You're looking for what? I'm looking for flags. Lots of flags in San Francisco. There's a California flag, and there's the United States flag. I said flags. No, I wasn't talking about cigarettes either, right? A lot of you. Oh, there we go. I just need a little bit of love right here, right? Old high. I'm gonna go less than the old high. Come on, big one, monkey, big one. Pay me now. You go. Come on, hit me. Take it. There we go. All right. Yeah. All right. Oof. Old high. Nah. Darth Maul. Up there, down there. Nah. I'm good. Oh, what happened to that? Oh, I thought my trade got slipped. I saw $1,000. And what? What the what? What the what? Yeah, we did it. Yep. 2020. Man, we take a lot of trades, huh? 12? Today's the 12th? Oh, look, she's wave three-ing. wave threeing. Oh, look at that. Old high. Got back to the old high, right? There's my flag. Oh yeah, like the anybody take that? Were you scared? Oh, scared. What, what, what was that? Angels here to tread. Oof. You go and inhale some Lysol. Uh, no, I don't do that. What was that? No, that was gold at midnight. No, that wasn't it. When did we start? We started at 1925. Where fools rush in. That's it. Angels here are fools. Where fools rush in. All right. Let's settle up. Stop. Okay. Fingers too fast. Yeah, biggest mistake was holding that pound yen longer than anticipated, right? I mean, I'm gonna add the losses first because that get those out of the way, right? get rid of the pain, right? Minus 2540. Minus 12031.76. Okay, equals no. What's going on here? It's not gonna do that. I have to put something positive in there. Okay, 391. Stop. Oh, I got 391.56. Okay, plus 848.48 plus 979.07 plus 587.53 plus 1044.5 equals, okay, wow, minus 2540. Just wiped all those gains out, right? Equals, okay, plus 2350.28. Wow, plus 2350.00. Okay. Equals, okay, here's the big ones. Minus 12,031.76. Ooh. Minus 16,543.67. Oh, boo. Drawdown. Plus 1438.58. Ah, that's not going to help at all, huh? That probably would help. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea, Steve. You're smart. I didn't think about that. Look at the beginning of session, the start of sessions of search active, right? Oh, no, now I lost place where I was, right? Okay, here it is. Plus 3007.94. That's where you're VIP, huh? You're smart. Plus 1307.8. And is there more? Ooh, this is not good. Not good. Plus 104.62 equals minus 372.84 and then minus 366.30. Grand total minus 17,444.21. I thought we offset that one, right? 11,000 wasn't enough. Yeah, we had these two big pound yen. Pound yen does that, it's like the dragon. It can take away, it can stop sharing. Okay. It giveth and it taketh away, right? And we were up a little bit when we got in the right direction, and then it took it back. Anyway, let's try it again tomorrow. And you guys have a great evening. Talk to you later. Oh, that's right. Today's Thursday. We're not gonna do it tomorrow. We'll see you on Tuesday. Okay. Cheers. Bye.